Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see an interesting SQL interview question. We are given an organization's table which has 3 columns: employee name, department and salary. We need to find the minimum and maximum salary for each department without using the max and the min function directly. For example, for marketing department, the minimum salary is 870 and the maximum salary is 1020. So in the output we are returning 870 and 1020. Similarly, for the other departments, finance and sales, we are returning the minimum and the maximum salary. We will write a query to find the minimum and maximum salary for each department without using the max and the min functions directly. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. Here is our organization's table. We will write the query in 2 different approaches. In the first approach, we will use the max and the min functions directly. For that, I am selecting department, comma, min of salary. I am going to alias it as min salary, comma, max of salary. I am going to alias it as max salary. Now we are going to group based on department. Group by department. This is the first approach. Here we used the min and the max functions directly and we are grouping based on the department. So I have selected department in the select statement and I am grouping based on the department. Let me run this query. We got the minimum salary and the maximum salary for each department. In the next approach, we will write a query without using the min and the max functions directly. Let's implement that. Select star from organization information. Here I am selecting all the columns and I am going to select row number over partition by department, order by salary. Here we are ordering based on ascending. This I am going to alias it as min salary. Similarly, I am going to select the row numbers partitioned by department and in this case I am going to order based on salary descending. Let's do that. Row num partitioned by department, order by salary descending. Now let's run this query. We got the min and the maximum salary. For each department, if the min salary is 1, that is the minimum salary, and if max salary equals to 1, that is the maximum salary for that particular department. We need only the record which has the minimum salary as 1 and the maximum salary as 1. In order to do that, I am going to create this as a CTE. With CTE as I am going to select this table, select star from CTE. Let me run this query. This should be max salary. Let me change this as max salary. Now let me run this. I'm going to select department, case when min salary equals to 1, then salary, end. This I am going to alias it as min salary. Similarly, case when max salary equals to 1, then salary. This I am going to alias it as max salary. Now let's run this query. We got the minimum and the maximum salary for each department, but we also got some null records. In order to eliminate the null records, we can either use min or max function. I'm going to use min. Similarly, here also we can either use min or max function in order to eliminate the null values. Min as max salary. Now let me run this query. We have to also group based on department. Group by department. Now let's run the query. We got the desired result. We got the minimum and the maximum salary for each department. In this case, we didn't use the min and the max functions directly. I hope you like the approach of finding the min and the maximum salary without using the min and the max functions directly. And I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe, and I will see you in yet another interesting SQL interview question. Thank you.